Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best banana holder for lunchboxes, the Banana Keeper on-the-go outdoor travel case by BOHEM'S. If you've ever struggled with carrying a banana without it getting bruised or squished, this product is about to change your lunch game forever. This clever banana keeper is designed to protect your bananas from all the bumps and pressure that come with daily travel, whether you're heading to work, school, the gym, or out on a picnic. No more crushed or messy bananas at the bottom of your bag. The case offers a hard shell made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and durability. It's made to last without cracking or fraying, giving you reliable protection for your fruit every day. One of the standout features of this banana holder is its portability. It comes with a built-in hook, allowing you to easily attach it to your backpack, lunch bag, or even hang it somewhere convenient. This means you won't lose it or forget it anywhere, making it perfect for those always on the move. The bright yellow color also adds a fun, cheerful touch to your lunch accessories. Beyond just bananas, this versatile container can store other small snacks like nuts, berries, or candies, making it a handy all-around fruit protector. It's designed for convenience and freshness, keeping your food safe and reducing the chance of unwanted odors mixing with other items in your bag. The package includes 2 banana holders, so you can carry more than one banana or share with a friend. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning up a breeze, no hassle after a busy day. Made in Europe, this product combines thoughtful design with quality materials to ensure your bananas stay fresh and intact wherever you go. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just packing your lunch for work, this banana keeper is the practical and stylish solution you've been looking for. If you want to keep your bananas fresh, mess-free, and easy to carry, the Banana Keeper on the go by BOHEM'S is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.